No. Do you want to go play today? No. Do you want to take a nap? No. Do you want to eat some beets? No. Do you want to have some... No, you didn't even let me finish. Silas, do you like anything I'm saying? No? Do you want to play with your brother? No.
Do you want to play with Mommy?
Do you want to go play in the snow? No.
Do you want to go play with Alexander?
Do you want to play with Alexander? You want to play with Alexander? No?
Do you like anything we're answering you?
Ooh. Hey, Silas, do you want to go to the store with Mommy? No. How about the post office? No.
Do you like anything we're answering you? Actually,
Silas,
actually.
Silas, you want a drink of water? No. No?
Do you want to play with your toy?
Do you want to play toys? Silas, do you want to play toys?
Silas.
Okay, Silas, look at Mommy. Do you want to wave bye-bye? Want bye-bye? Silas, you want to wave bye-bye? Bye-bye. Want to wave bye-bye?
No. Just
Ooh.
wave bye-bye.
Hey, Grouchy Pants, do you want to wave bye-bye? Yeah, there we go. Bye-bye. No.